My recommendation here would be a couple of items. As you're looking at a property, number one, what year was it built in? Is it pre 1995? Yes. Then the next question is, did the previous owner have a green loan? And if not, has there been any interior plumbing upgrades?
And to add to that, if you are on the property, I would encourage you to actually flush a toilet and just kind of see what it does. I mean, if it takes forever to flush, that's an indication that there's opportunity right there. Another thing that we like to say is flip the lid. And typically there's a date stamp on the back of that toilet tank. If you don't see a date stamp, it's probably worn out. It's probably a 3.5 gallon per flush toilet. Also, I always encourage ask the maintenance guy, hey, what kind of work orders do you get? Do you have a lot of leaks on this property? Are the work orders for toilets, flappers, stuff like that? You can get an idea of what kind of water related issues they may have on that property.